Hi Nick, this is Sachin, founder and CEO of Requestly. I looked at your issue on GitHub and I thought to create a quick Loom video to explain you. So basically, when browser loads source map for script files or CSS files, they do not show the network requests in network panel, and they are not intercepted by the Chrome extensions as well. So here's a here's a Stack Overflow and couple of other posts which also mentions the same, that source map is not visible in Chrome network tab, and they're also not modified. Probably it's because of a Chrome bug, but this is the current state. Now, in order to solve this problem, you can actually use Requestly desktop application. So this is how it looks. So you can go to the app section and you can launch any browser. So in this case, let me launch a Chrome browser. So it opens up a fresh Chrome instance in which I can do the testing, and Requestly will intercept requests from only this browser. So let me just resize the windows and clear the traffic. So I have this site from MDN of Firefox DevTools, which contains a source map. So let's try to load this file first in browser itself. So let me refresh this, and if you search for something like map inside main.js, you can see there is a source map URL defined, but there is no network request for main.js.map. So if I go to sources file and search for main.js and click for main.coffee, this is actually the code, and you can confirm this by opening this in new tab and adding .map after it. So you can see the sources is main.coffee, but it's not being captured by a Chrome extension because probably Chrome fires this or loads the source map in background. Now you can solve this with Requestly desktop app. So coming to desktop app, let's try to load this page in the Chrome instance triggered by Requestly. So if I do this and let's say search for map, so you can see main.js, this is main.js. Yeah, so far source map is not loaded. Let me go to network panel. Now you can see another request for main.js.map, and if I go to sources, click on expand this main.coffee, so another request which loads main.coffee, right? So now what you can do is you can actually configure the headers tool, or if you already configured headers tool, it should auto sync if you're logged in. If not, you can go to HTTP rules. It has exactly same interface with like the Chrome extension, and click on create new, modify headers, define the URL pattern and define your request response header modifications, and that's it. So that should solve the issue. So so to give an example, let me just add a header here, main.coffee, add let's say response header main.coffee, and add response headers x dot just testing and then true. So let me just save this. So it will add this x testing header to main.coffee URL, which is the source mapped URL. So if I go back to Chrome, go back to the traffic first, and now if I go back to this and refresh this page, so you can see this row is green, which says that okay, headers rule is modified. If you click on this, you can also go inside the header rule. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and just ping me if you need any further help.